Happy New Year! This was a gift from my husband for Christmas, and I'm pretty sure that he regrets it. I think I'm gonna be using this microphone a lot more often here. Most likely not throughout the whole video. I don't know, I want to use my microphone. It's so pretty. Freaking love it. It's rose gold. I hope you guys had a wonderful time with your families. I had so much fun. My husband had 2 weeks off, so I decided to also not film while he was with me. We did film a video together, which was our previous video, the gingerbread houses. I hope you guys had an awesome time. With that being said, let's jump into this video. This video is a long overdue video. I got this palette last year. The ABH Norvina collection palette. This is the volume 3 palette. It came out later here in Canada, so that's why I didn't get my hands on it. And I got 2 of their lashes because ABH now sells eyelashes, and I forgot that I had these lashes because these were in my drawer, and I threw out my Stush extension lashes. However, I have used 1 pair of these, guys. Let's just open it up. ABH has 3 of these palettes, volume 1, 2, and 3. So the first one is the purple looking palette, and the second one is the blue palette, and then the third one is the orange one. The design on all 3 palettes are different. I was attracted to the butterflies. Obviously the inside had to do a lot with my decision as well, not only the butterflies, but I prefer this palette over the other 2. I honestly thought it was a smaller, like probably this big. When I went inside Sephora and saw the palette, I was like, oh my god, this is like twice the size I thought it was gonna be. It's huge. It's a huge palette. This is the giant mirror that you get with it, which I really appreciate. You might get tired holding it with one hand. Now looking into the colors, this is the reason why I purchased this palette. I wanted more greens because I didn't have greens. I wanted yellow. When swatching these guys, they are super pigmented. The only one, I think, this turquoise color that I kind of felt like needed more color. It kind of reminded me like the Urban Decay electric palette, but better because it has a lot more colors. And the green that the electric palette has was a little bit too yellow with glitter in it, as opposed to having matte eyeshadows. I had no problem blending the eyeshadows or adding this color. I applied it straight on top of concealer, and it's not even creasing, which I really do like. I know a lot of you may be intimidated by a lot of color. When I purchased the palette, I was so excited, but then I understand how people can feel overwhelmed with too many colors and not knowing what kind of makeup look or what colors can you blend. Just play with it. It's art. You come up with something good. I really love the eyeshadows. There was no fallout with the matte eyeshadows. When you swirl it in the pan, there might be a little bit of fallout, but when you apply it and blend it, I didn't get any pigments around my face. The only fallout that I remember seeing was using the shimmer one, which is C1, that I used on my inner corner and I used on my brow bone. It's the glitter fallout. In the description of the eyeshadows, 4 of them are classified as metallic. So that would be B1, C1, D4, and E5. The other 3 glittery ones are C5, D5, and D2, but these are classified as sparkles. So this one's a matte with silver sparkle, A4, and B2 is a matte with gold sparkle. The rest are completely matte. These 2 orange at the top are not the same oranges. They're definitely different. This one's a lot more neon than this one. There are 25 eyeshadows in here, which are bigger than their normal ABH palettes. It is more expensive than the regular ones, but then again, you're getting a bigger pan, you're getting more eyeshadows, and the packaging of this palette, the giant mirror, it is definitely worth it, guys. It values at $79 here in Canada. It's definitely worth having in your collection if you like to do bold makeup looks. lashes, I got 2 styles. They have 6 lashes in their collection right now. So the style that I got was So Hollywood and Gorgina. So Hollywood is the pair that I have already used, and Gorgina I have not used, but they look pretty. They're synthetic and vegan lashes. They are very long and wispy. These are the styles that I picked that are long and wispy, but she definitely does have shorter lashes. Eleganza is one that's kind of like the Ardell wispy lashes. So Hollywood looks more wispy because of the crisscross that it has. I'm going to insert the close-up using both of these lashes. The value at $16. I don't know if I'll get more. Maybe Gorgina. I feel like they're gonna look kind of like this pair because I do like these ones. These were my favorite ones of the ones that they had at the store. I don't remember if I saw all of them. Domina is also really long. It says super natural volume. Dreamy is also pretty. Fashion is also really nice. But past, I wanted to start the year with a super colorful look. I've always wanted to do the cloud eye makeup. I was definitely inspired by La Vie d'un Prince. I added the jewels here because it's a mess. I used this LASplash Wickedly Divine Smudge Proof eyeliner. My friend gave it to me. It feels a little bit too tacky, like the consistency, so it's kind of hard to draw. So this was the first sparkle that I did, and it turned out so nice. Then when I did that one, I just messed it up, and then when I did the other one, it felt like it wasn't it wasn't as good as the first one. Anyways, I just decided to throw in some jewels in the center. That kind of fixed it. You can't see so much. Alright guys, so let's just jump into the eye makeup tutorial. I didn't film the whole face because you guys know I use the same products every time, but the eye look is here. So just keep on watching to see the eye look makeup tutorial. guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. I do recommend it, but like I said, I recommend this palette to somebody who will definitely make use of the palette, like a makeup artist, or if you're like super colorful looks. Please don't forget to leave in the comments down below your thoughts on this palette and the lashes. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! That Christmas and the colors. I'm giving a monkey a shower. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep till I feel your touch. Woohoo! I said if you kiss me, I might let it happen. Okay, I'm done. Bye!